Good day everyone. We're here to report a group presentation entitled Boxing the Compass. So let's move on to the group members. I am JV Valente together with Gomez Rausen, Tabuada Sean Austin, Abo Christian, Rehencia Bon Michael, and Kyle Andre Kaido. So let's move on to our main topic. So boxing the compass, designating each of the 32 compass points from due north clockwise. So at one time, being able to box the compass was a need for seafaring. So yung boxing the compass is napaka-importante as a seafarer and para sa seafaring in order to calculate direction using points rather than degrees as we frequently do today. Therefore, it is still good idea for any navigator, land or sea, to have a fundamental understanding of the compass rose at 32 points. So let's move on to the compass card. Compass card. At first, compass card were marked out not in degrees but in points. At present, the compass card should be graduated in 360 single degrees. Compass card, there were 32 points that corresponded to the wind directions that sailors would recognize at sea. So, the capital letters, it is the north, east, west, and south should be used to denote the cardinal points. So, ito yung mga main points which is the south, west, north, and east. An appropriate emblem may be used to represent the north point instead. So, starting from 00 degrees and moving clockwise to 360 degrees back toward north, a numerical direction or indication should be given in every 10 degrees. The card's directional error, which is made of errors in graduation irregularity on its pivot and the inappropriate orientation on the magnetic system, shouldn't be more than 0.5 degrees on any heading. Then it is the 32 points looks like. So please or look the illustration above.
The compass has a 4 cardinal points, and these are the north, south, east, and west. And these cardinal points has a intercardinal points, and these are the northwest, southwest, northeast, and southeast.
These 8 directional names have been further compounded, known as tertiary intercardinal directions, resulting in a total of 32 name points evenly spaced around the compass: north, north by east, north northeast, northeast by north, northeast, northeast by east, east northeast. In summary, the 32 wind compass rows comes from the 8 principal winds, 8 half winds, and 16 quarter winds combined, with each other compass point at an 111/4 degrees angle from the next. In the mariner's exercise of boxing the compass, all 32 points of the compass are named in clockwise order.
Good day everyone. I will discuss the 32 points in the compass. So in this slide, the 32 cardinal points were originally drawn to indicate winds and were used by sailors in navigation. The 32 points represents the 8 major winds, the half winds, and the 16 quarter winds. All in all is 32 points. Their degrees and their names can be seen here. Additionally, compass point is a direction on a compass, which is a device used to determine direction. North, south, east, and west are the 4 primary points on a compass. So this on the compass indicates points are used to help the user find their bearings and navigate. The next slide is compass bearing. So what is compass bearing? A compass bearing is the clockwise angle measurements between a given point and true north on the compass. So in short, Compass bearing are used as methods of navigation in relation to the north direction by angles. They help locate objects or positions within a two-dimension planes, such as a map or diagram. So bearing indicates a straight line from one position to another. So we will proceed to the next reporter. Thank you.
Bearing angle. A bearing angle is the angle or arc distance by which a directional point on a compass diverges from north. When a ray, meaning an endless line emanating from one beginning point, is drawn from the central point of a compass outward through a specific point, the angles created between that ray and north on the compass is the bearing angle. When a bearing angle is used in navigation, the pilot of a traveling plane, ship, or other craft determines the angle at the which craft is traveling relative to north. That helps adjust the craft's course to better travel and towards its destination. Degrees of compass rearing. The compass has 4 cardinal points, 4 intercardinal points, and 4 secondary intercardinal points. The 4 cardinal points are positioned at 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees, or the 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock positions respectively. Those points are better known also respectively as north, south, east, and west.
Standard compass bearings. Standard compass bearings are divided into 16 different directions around the compass, each located 22.5 degrees apart. If we start at the north arrow and move 22.5 degrees clockwise, we reach the northeast directions. Continuing another 22.5 degrees, we reach northeast. This continues all the way around the compass until we end up back at the beginning. Other compass bearings. If a more specific heading is needed, we can use the other compass bearings method. This method calls for specific angle in between two of the more main headings, such as south, the 22 degrees west. Let's learn how to determine this direction. Start at pure north or south. Rotate through the angle needed. Pinpoint the number between north or south, other direction needed.
So that is our report in compass bearing.